Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing? How is your day? And how are you all? I know you are doing fine. Well guys, in today's video I just want to make a black soup. So I think of doing video with it. Yeah, I think of a minute here for you guys to see some of us that don't know how it's being prepared. Well, just watch and see. So guys, I'm not showing you my face because your babe is like you can't see me now. If you see me, you are going to laugh at me, okay? So that is just for that. So here I have my chopped onions, and here is my ginger. Yeah, these are normally put it because I buy it like this full rubber is going to be filled up. I have my garlic here, powder garlic, my cube, and my salt. Yeah, I have my salt here, and this is the grounded bitter leaf, and I have my thyme to boil my meat and also with the fish. So this is my curry. This is my curry to boil it as well. And here I have beef. I have my catfish here with me. So in here I have my water. See, don't mind these things. You see all these things I see here, don't just mind it. I normally change it, like I use it to protect my gas cooker. Then when I want to change it, you see how beautiful and neat it is. That is how everything is. It's almost going to 8 months since we bought this thing, particularly, which is the gas cooker. So I normally use this what is it called, foil paper, to protect it from any scratch on it. Okay, so if you want me to show you guys how you are going to do it, you just write it in the comment section and I will be happy to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be so now guys, I'm going to be pouring in my chopped onions. And now I'm going to be adding my 2 nut cube. Yeah. So here I have with me my ginger. Putting a little bit of this thyme on it. You see that? And in here also I have my curry, so I'm just going to be putting a little as well. Yeah, that quantity is enough. And I also have with me here salt to taste, so just going to put a little bit. You see, I don't mature it because I know the quantity to put. So if you are the type that know what to put in your food, not to be too much, so you just like, you can do it anyhow you want, or you rather measure it. So now I'm just going to be stirring. Forgive me for using this, but that is what I can stretch my hand. Okay, let me switch. Okay, I just went ahead to take a turning stick or whatever it's called in English, I don't know. So just use it to turn it a little bit, flip them over for the sauce in it to go into the water, and then minutes I'm going to be putting in my catfish and then close everything. When it's 20 minutes, I'm going to pour in my every other thing I'm going to be, pouring into the pot. So right now guys, let's just cover it and wait for it to cook. Yeah, so we'll be right back. So guys, yeah, it's 15 minutes now, so I'm just going to be putting my catfish inside. Don't mind me, I'm just filming with my hand. I told you guys earlier, like I'm holding the phone. It's not as if I don't have the tripod or whatever it's called. I have it, but No, I need to show you guys. So sorry for the noise, because the kitchen, the door, window of my kitchen is opened. Okay, so I'm just like creating a space for the fish to, take the water, because I test it and it tastes so good. I mean, the water from the meat is so delicious. So I'm just going to leave it for 5 minutes to boil, then I'll come back. So guys, it's 20 minutes already. So you see, this is how it is now. Look at our catfish. You see the vapor. Like, my kitchen is so scenty good. Like, this odor, I mean the aroma, I'm sorry, the aroma is so delicious. I haven't tested it yet with the catfish, but I tested it just with the beef. So this is how it is. And now I'm just going to be pouring in my, what's it called, my bitter leaf. Just pour it in, and I'm just going to be roasting, like pouring a little water inside just to roast it. I think that quantity is enough. So you see the body is still remaining, but I don't need that anymore. So now I'm just going to stir just a little bit. Stir it gently for the fish not to scatter. I just stir a little, just like this. See that? See, let me show you guys. This is the stew I prepared yesterday. Sorry for not showing you guys. Yeah, but if you want to see often video of me cooking, you want to see it often, you just like drop a comment, and I will be glad to show you guys how to make it. So I'm just going to be giving it a taste, and then I'll be right back. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of salt. The seasoning, they are all okay, just the salt. So now I just added it, so I'm just going to cover it for extra 20 minutes to boil up. Then we'll be right back. So guys, before I forgot to add the garlic powder on the meat while I was boiling it. So I just added it. This is what it looked like, and then with my cube, just scatter it inside, then stir a little bit. These are the soup is. It's not cooked yet, but this is how it is for now. So we are just going to give it that 20 minutes I said earlier. Yeah. So guys, this is 20 minutes after. So this is the thickness of the soup. This is how it is. Yeah. So I'm just going to be demolishing this soup with starch. So you can also do eat it with a bai, pounded yam, and fufu, So but for me this evening I'm going to be demolishing it. So the aroma is so good, so I'm just going to be dropping it now because the soup is ready already. So just going to be dropping it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the last part of it, which is where I'm going to be, demolishing it. So stay tuned for that. Bye. So guys, this is my soup. Yeah, this is how it is, and this is how it look like. It's a black soup. So this is my catfish, the head of the catfish, the beef, and every other thing. And here is my starch. Hope you guys love the video. Hope you learned something. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys so very much. Bye. I'm going to be demolishing it like champions. I can't wait.